After a long time, right?
Only 2 days.
After 3 days, Friday,
No
Saturday,
such.
Sunday.
Sir, you want to take classes every day?
Actually, if I take your class, I feel good. If I can't take your class, then I miss you a lot.
Sir, we are one of the worst batch, sir, and you are saying that you,
Whatever, you are
you like to take
my
our class.
students. That's it. So we are opening the worksheet, huh?
Okay.
Ziba, we are
Yes, sir.
done till the MCQ part, right?
Yes, sir.
Today we are starting the structure part. I wanted you to try, all of you. So I heard that Moshi already tried all of the
I
structure
tried,
part.
and am I all are wrong? I'm sure, sir. So
No,
please.
not all wrong. We don't think that if you understood all the notes, then MCQ part, of course, your structured part will be also most of them correct. Maybe some of the questions you might have some doubt, or you have some queries.
Sir, did
Those,
you get my what that?
yes, I got your both of the homeworks. Thank you so much. And you only submitted. No other students submitted the homework. You gave from your drive, right? You shared from there.
I guess I don't really know. Like
Okay.
somehow I managed to do the editing, then just share it from there. So I am not sure
Yes,
whether
yes,
it.
it's shared. It's coming with sharing signal. Okay, now we are continuing with one. Can you read, Moshi? One.
Number, okay. A teacher carries out an experiment on radioactivity using the apparatus shown in figure 1.1. Radioactive source, detector, counter. The counter rate is a measurement of the count during 1 minute. State the name of one type of radiation detector.
Yeah. You can write anyone's name. You have lots of detectors, right? So
GM
Yes,
tube.
sir.
yeah. So which one you will write? GM tube. Okay, good.
Yeah,
Very good.
certain
So
spelling
did
will
you
be
write
different.
it, Moshi? Did you write it GM tube?
ও আমারটা ঠিক
So
আছে?
yeah. So in your copy, in your physics copy, please write it. Structured questions. 1A. Today's date also you write. This one is worksheet on topic 26, 27. So structured part, question 1A1. The answer is GM tube. Adnan.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Wa alaikum salam. Thank you for joining.
Welcome, sir.
And then continue, Moshi, this one, A2.
আচ্ছা, to state one safety precaution the teacher must take when using a radioactive source.
Protective clothing.
What is the answer?
Yes,
Wearing
sir.
protective clothing to prevent contamination in
Yeah,
body.
protective clothes. Then any other? There I gave 5, right?
Handling radioactive materials with tongs.
Yes, very good. This way
What
you
protective
use your ideas, not only one. As you know, five of the precautions. Then you can write any one of
Best to bolte gele wearing protective
Yes,
clothing.
yes. That one is
limiting exposure to radioactive materials.
yes, yes,
Limiting time to review.
yes, yes.
Exposure time.
Correct. So B1 continue.
স্যার আপনার আসছে ওকে একটু চান্স দেন না।
Okay, you finish this question. Question 1 at least you should finish.
Okay. The teacher states the emission from the radioactive source are random in time. State what it meant by random in time. Hi.
So we
এটা কি
have
ছিল স্যার?
random in time and random in direction. So these two things we had in our discussion. Radioactivity is random. So what does random in time mean?
Means it is not possible to tell which nuclei will be the next in line to decay or how long it will take to decay.
Yes, the one you said later on, that one is more appropriate.
It will
How
not
long it will,
decay.
Or
how,
time.
yeah, it's related to time. That's why random in time means how long it will take to decay. We are not sure. That's showing it is random in time. So please write, Moshi.
Second, sir.
You have the copy with you, right? So
Yes, sir.
once you are getting any answer, you should write it so
Yes.
that you can recall that one. Already you did. If there is any correction or any answer you are missing, then you should write. Then B2.
দাঁড়ান স্যার একটু লিখে নেই স্যার পরে
Okay,
ভুলে যাব।
okay, okay, no problem. So this one B2.
Describe how the apparatus is used to show that the emission are random in time.
Yeah, how we understand that the emissions are random in time?
By
By checking the half-life
Taking the
না
and the time
half-life.
it takes.
না না না, আমি অন্য কিছু লিখছিলাম,
এখানে
এক
তো
সেকেন্ড স্যার।
অ্যাপারেটাস করতে বলছে, এটা পারি না।
Okay, you will take several readings, right? For the emissions, after 2 minutes you will take reading. Then after 4 minutes you will take reading. Then after 6 minutes you will take reading. Then you will find that the count rate is coming is not same, right? Results are not same. So you can understand it's random in time. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. How to write it?
Yeah, you will write in 2 points. There are 2 marks. So first point is you will take several readings for the same time,
Several things.
for the same duration of time.
এখানে স্ক্রিনে কেউ লিখে দিলে ভালো হয়।
সবাই পারবে তো।
So take several readings. You can write also. Adnan, will you write?
না স্যার, আমি একটু এটা তুলে নেই, এটা
Yeah, you write.
Take several readings, then
For the same duration of time. And the second point is we will find the results are not same. Results means count rate is not same.
ফার্স্টটা হচ্ছে টেকিং ফার্স্টটা কি জানো?
The first one is we'll take several readings for the same duration of time.
is it okay?
Yes, yes. Excellent. It's not only okay, it's excellent. Then C1. State what is meant by background radiation. This one is easy, right? What is background radiation?
It is the radiation we get from the surroundings.
And you
That is
also add that without the source.
without sources.
Yeah, without sources.
Oh, I'll remove that writing.
Yeah, remove that one. Now write here the one you said.
Done, sir.
Okay, good. That
Background radiation.
background radiation is the radiation from
Radiation
surroundings
from
without the
without source.
source. Okay, continue. The teacher measures the count rate due to the source. Describe how the count rate is corrected for the background radiation. So how we did it? Can you remember?
First, taking the count rate without any source, then again taking the count rate with the source and subtracting the previous count rate.
Very good. So you write this. So I should keep it for a while here because you will write it. Should you write it or
স্যার
it's
এটার
okay?
অ্যান্সারটা বলেন তো।
Which one? C2?
হ্যাঁ,
Okay, so first you take the reading without the source.
So then with the
First
source, then
take
subtract শেষ।
Then you take the reading with source and then subtract both the values. Okay?
finally subtract the values.
Yeah, finally subtract the values. You want now D, part D. This graph is necessary, that's why I made it smaller.
স্যার আমাদের ড্র করতে হবে।
Why?
রাস করতেছি স্যার, ড্র করতে হবে।
Okay, you first, you do not need to draw. Just write the answer D1, D2. This way you'll write down the answer. This worksheet is with you, right? Then continue. Moshi, you read.
D. The corrected count rate is recorded for various distance d between the source and the detector. Figure 1.2 shows graph of the result obtained.
Okay, then.
Determine the maximum distance that the radiation travels in air.
Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
from your
Record.
graph, you understand it. How much distance?
4.5.
Yes, it is in the, you see, we have two axes, distance and count rate. So distance, our maximum distance is shown 4.5 centimeters. So they are
4.5.
asking, Yeah, determine the maximum distance that the radiation travels is 4.5 centimeter. Also write the unit, huh? Yeah, then you see the question again. Here, determine the maximum distance that the radiation travels in air. So this radiation is stopped in air. This idea we'll use. One question is linked with another one. So from one B1, you can get the assistance for getting the answer of
One
D2.
answer ki determine the maximum distance that the radiation travels in air.
Yeah, look here.
গ্রাফটা দেখতে হবে তো
Yeah,
গ্রাফটা একটু
look,
কোথায়
yeah. You see here. This is graph, huh? So your
Alpha
distance, your x-axis is showing you distance, and the y-axis is showing you count rate.
4.5
Yes, 4.5 centimeter. Write the unit also. Hello, Yakin. Congratulations.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam. Congratulations.
Why, sir?
You own. You won against your sleep.
No, sir. I woke up at 8:30 or something.
Okay, so you change your habit.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much for joining. So we are continuing the first structured questions. You can see the screen, right?
Yes, sir.
So, Moshi, can you read the second part?
Number 2.
Yes, D2.
State the name of the radiation emitted by the radioactive source and give a reason for your answer. Radiation is dash 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 reason dash dash.
Yeah. So here you have to identify the radiation. You know the properties we have
alpha,
for alpha,
beta.
yeah, alpha, beta, and gamma, right? So which one is stopped by air? Only 4.5 centimeter air. Which one is stopped? It is alpha, right?
Alpha.
So you will write here the name of the radiation is alpha particle.
alpha
Yeah. Then
because it
reason.
cannot pass through 4.5 centimeter of air.
Yeah. So
It can only travel 4.5 centimeter.
yeah, it can only travel for
Travel হ্যাঁ ওই তো
normally around 5 to 7 centimeter. Okay, less than 5 to 7 centimeter. So it's 4.5, very close to 5. That's why. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. So you got this one. Then continue the other one. You done with writing, Moshi?
No, sir, no, sir, no, sir. Okay, sir, done.
Yes. Then continue third part.
The ionization
As
of
the-
the air এটার answer আবার কোথায় লেখা
As the radiation from the source travels in the air is causes ionization. Describe what is mean by ionization of the air.
It's very easy, right? You know what is called ionization.
It means the losing and gaining of electrons.
Yes.
Is that something?
So write that.
স্যার এয়ারে বলতে কি বুঝিয়েছে?
So it's in air we have some molecules, right? Gas molecules.
sir.
We have oxygen, hydrogen, and many
Nitrogen,
other
আমি
things, carbon dioxide. There are many. So
nitrogen argon
so in air, the gas available, the atoms available, those are ionized by alpha particles, by alpha particles can take electrons from the outermost shell of the any atom or any gas. That's why they are becoming ionized. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So ionizing means the one Ziva said, ionizing means to lose or gain electrons by one atom. Okay. You know that oxygen, you have chlorine, oxygen, they are gaining electrons, right? And
It's a definition क्या है? To
yeah,
lose or gain?
gain electrons by one atom. To
Full answer
lose,
gain na.
to gain or lose electrons by one atom.
সেটাই তো বললাম।
Yeah, it can be positive ion, it can be negative ion. So both are ions, right?
Sir, আরেকবার repeat করবেন answerটা?
To lose or gain of electrons by an atom.
Okay. Done, sir.
Then this one,
Can we plot it actually?
I should make it more smaller. Okay, can you see? Can you
Yes,
see this?
sir.
Okay, so here is the last part. Can you read, Moshe? The last part.
Yes, sir. Number E, right, sir? The half-life of another radioactive source is 40 minutes. Initially, the corrected count rate from the source is 300 counts per minute. Plot suitable points and draw a graph of the corrected count rate as it changes.
With time. With time, yeah. So here plot suitable points and draw a graph of the
Can I do it
corrected
on the
count
screen?
rate. Yeah, you can do. You can do. The half-life is 40 minutes. They already told you. So you are given here in x-axis, the time is given, and y-axis is given count rate. So half-life 40, then you are going 80, then 120. You are getting here 3 half-lives, right? For the whole graph. Then you have to get the counts 300, then we have 150, then 150, after 150 75, right? 75, this way we are getting. So is it
Okay.
clear, everyone? Hello, you are clear?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
I want you to draw.
Yes, sir.
They who did not take the printout, you just draw roughly, that you give two axes, x-axis, y-axis, then give your time. Quickly, you can do it by 2 minutes. 0, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120.
Should
Then
I remove my?
just, no. Then let them check it, no problem. So you are having here 300, then half-life 40 minutes. In 40 minutes, it will come to 150. Then another half-life 80 minutes. It will come to 75. This way it is continuing. And after 75, half of 75, how much? 37, right? 37.5. 37.5. So it's almost 38. So 37.5 you find here. It is 25 in the middle. So each of the square is giving you 5. So if you are going here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then it is coming 35. After 35, 37.5, little bit upper. This way
I
you can
couldn't
draw.
hear it with the drawing since I was drawing with a mouse.
Yeah. So you can do it right on your paper. In between 7 and 8, it will be 37.5.
আচ্ছা ইকোনমিক্স টেস্ট কোন চ্যাপ্টারের উপর?
Today is your
Prospect.
economics test.
Yeah.
আমাদের
chapter?
বিজনেস হাই হাই
So is it done, everyone? Party
না
is
স্যার
Yes.
done.
তুলেই নাই।
শেষ স্যার
Finish it. Only you give x-axis, y-axis, then time, count rate, and then give this points 300, 150, 75. You do not need to give everything. Just where is the half-life and where is the count rate. There you write. Okay. And then it is 37.5. This way read. This one will be a little bit down. Yeah, here in the middle. Yeah, it's here. Yes, great. So everyone understood how to draw it? Hello,
Yes, স্যার
Yes, sir.
Yakin, Adnan, are you done? Then we
Yes,
can
sir.
go to next one.
হ্যাঁ স্যার নেক্সটে চলে যান।
So question 1 is done, and it is 15 marks question. You know, in our O-level papers, there are 2 questions at the last you have to answer. Each of them 15 marks. You have
আচ্ছা
total,
জিবা
you have total 75 marks, and out of 75, 45 marks you'll get small questions, 4 marks, 5 marks, this way. That is section A. In section B, you will be given 3 questions. You have to choose any 2, and each of them is 15 marks, so 30 and 45, 75 marks. Okay, 75 marks in 1 hour 45 minutes. Now continue. Yakin, you continue this one. Question 2.
Stars are
And
formed inside a cloud of gas and dust in space. When star forms, the cloud first becomes smaller as it collapses. State what causes gas to collapse.
yeah, what?
That the fission.
Fission is happening there, but they are collapsing. For what reason they are collapsing? They are
Supernova.
coming closer. They are coming closer to each other, right? For what reason they are coming closer to each other?
Supernova or something.
Supernova is
সুপারনোভা
the
তো
death
ডেথ
of
অফ
a star. Death
Date
of
of
a
a
star.
star.
Collapse করে মরে
না
Collapse
স্যার
যাবে।
means
বললেন
here
স্টার এসব লাগবে না তাই তো স্টার পড়াও
is
হয় না।
here only you.
Force of gravity.
Yes, force of gravity. They are coming closer, right? That's why.
Oh, yes.
That's why they are coming close, because of the gravitational attraction. Okay, then next. This way only little bit is coming. You see only 1 mark. The other things are related to fusion. Continue.
Eventually, nuclear fusion occurs in the star. State 2 conditions required for nuclear fusion to occur in the star.
Ika, what is the answer?
It is necessary to bring দুইটা নিউক্লিয়াই একদম কাছাকাছি আনতে হবে যেন ওই নিউক্লিয়ার ফোর্স অ্যাক্টিভ হয়ে যায়
Yeah, they
এন্ড
need to.
তারপর দুইটা নিউক্লিয়াই একসাথে ফিউজ হয়ে যায়।
Yeah, for three things. For
High
three things.
temperature now.
Yes, high temperature. Very good. Then high pressure.
High pressure and high temperature.
Yes, these two things we require, and that's why
What is
it
the
is.
other one?
One is high pressure, another one is high temperature, and the other one is high particle density.
Okay.
When they are coming very close
So what's the
together,
last one?
that is high particle density. So two you have to write here. We have three, but we have to write two here. One is high pressure, high temperature, then high particle density. Okay, so B, continue B.
When a larger star explodes, nuclei of heavy elements are formed. One such nucleus is uranium-235. State the name and other type of each. State the name and the number of each type of particle found in one nucleus of uranium-235.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Okay. So in this notation, what you are getting, those things you have to write. In the nucleus, what you are getting? Nucleus of uranium, we are getting proton and neutrons, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So how many protons are there? How many neutrons are there? You have to write that. That's it. So name of particle, proton. Name of particle, first one you write proton. Number found in nucleus, 92. Name of particle, another one is neutrons.
Yeah.
Number found in nucleus, how many you subtract, then you write.
One 143.
So the last one is very easy, right? B2.
State one feature that is the same for the nuclei of all isotopes of uranium.
Protons, right?
Yes, sir.
Very simple. If the number of protons are same, they are called isotopes. Then continue.
A nucleus of uranium-235 in a nuclear reactor can undergo nuclear fission. Describe the process of nuclear fission in nuclear reactor.
Yeah. So we are getting here two smaller, right?
Yes, sir.
Two smaller nuclei, and before that, what happens? One neutron.
A heavy nuclei is broken down into smaller nuclei.
Yeah, that's correct. And before that, what happens? One neutron is hitting the nucleus of uranium, right?
Yes, sir.
In a reactor, what is
Yes, sir.
happening? They are asking us. So that one also you'll write. 2 marks, 2 steps.
So
লিখবো
we'll
স্যার
write a nucleus hits a nuclei of uranium-235.
Yeah,
Then the bigger nucleus.
neutron hits.
Yes.
Neutron
আনসারটা একটু
hits.
টাইপ করে দে তো
Yeah,
Kuri, kuri.
yeah, there are 2 points. First point is the uranium nucleus is hit by 1 neutron. The second one is we are
Just
getting,
to repeat, I'm writing.
yeah,
আচ্ছা জিবা ইকোনমিক্স কোন চ্যাপ্টার টেস্ট আসবে
Last year কয়েকটা chapter.
মানে ক্লাস 10 এ ওঠার পর যেগুলো হয়েছে
হ্যাঁ
nucleus of uranium is heated by a neutron. You can say also that nucleus of uranium absorb 1 neutron. Both are correct, huh? Then second one is uranium breaks into 2 lighter nuclei. Breaks into
So
or splits into 2 lighter nuclei. 2 lighter nuclei, 2 lighter element. Yes, correct. So we are stopping our this class, huh? Then after 5 minutes you join, huh? Again in
আর আচ্ছা একটু কপি করে নি এটা
yeah. We finish copying, then we'll stop it. We will continue from here. 4.
এটা লিখছে কে
Jiba.
কেন প্রবলেম আছে আমার লিখায় তাই লিখবই না আর।
একটু বেশি বুঝি আসলে মেয়েটা।
আমি কইলাম কি আর বুঝলো কি মানে মাথা পড়তে পড়তে পুরো কিলো গলে গেছে
না কি বললা বললা না কি
আজ জিজ্ঞেস করছি লিখছে কে দ্যাটস ইট
না তোমাদের উপর ভরসা নেই দ্যাটস ওয়াই
না 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 এটা আমরা ভালো আছি।
আহা কি আজব
সাফির সামনে সেটা বলতে পারিস
হ্যাঁ এক্স্যাক্টলি।
শালা এখনো আমার টাকা দেয় নাই
Okay,
টাকা দেয়
Adnan.
নাই সমস্যা নেই।
Adnan, recording is going on.
ও আচ্ছা
তুমি এখানে তুমি তাকে শালা বলছো ছি 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 ছি
So,
আস্তাগফিরুল্লাহ।
okay, we are stopping.
আরে
the
শালা
class.
তো খারাপ কোনো ওয়ার্ড না
After
শালা তো
5
ধর
minutes
তোর
you join, huh?
আচ্ছা স্যার আল্লাহ হাফেজ স্যার
ওকে